There's tons of creative ideas, but this one will make you sing. Another bead design just for you, the Kandi Bead Flower Ring. These bead flower rings are a true clinger, an awesome bead creation that you can wear on your finger. This unique look of beauty that holds so much power with the perfect bead design for anyone who loves flowers. Of course, they're fine, a simple bead design and easy to create you'll be able to make in quick time. So let's get ready for this tutorial. To satisfy your creative needs, be sure to give this video a like. Enjoy this episode of TurboBeads. Here's a list of everything you need to make the bead flower ring. Making the Kandi flower ring is pretty simple. The first thing you'll need to do is to take 1 foot of elastic stretch string, then you'll match up the ends. Next, we're going to add 1 red bead to each of the strings. Now that you have those beads on the string, you'll run those beads toward the center of the string. Then, you're going to take a yellow bead and you're going to add it to both strings, just like this, running that bead to the center of the string as well. From this point, we'll do exactly as we've done before by adding 2 more red beads to the string. Remember, that's 1 red bead on each string, just like this. With those beads on the string, you'll run those beads toward the center. Continue holding both ends of the string while pushing them toward the center to ensure they stay in a tight formation. Now that you have all 5 of those beads in the center of the string, you'll tie both ends of string together with a square knot to lock everything into place. Be sure when tying the string together that your knot is tied nice and secure to ensure that everything stays together, locked into place, keeping those beads in a tight formation. As you can see, this is how it should look so far. We should have 2 ends of string of equal lengths to use. From here, we'll take 1 end of the string and run it back through the closest red bead here at the top. When you get that string through that bead, pull that string all the way through, and this will set us up for the next step. Using that same end of string, we're going to add 1 red bead to that string. Now that we have that bead on the string, we're going to run that string to the next red bead here on the end. When you get that string through that bead, pull it all the way through and the bead that was added will fit right into place, just like this. Now we're going to take the other end of string and run it back through the closest red bead here at the bottom. When you get that string through that bead, be sure to pull it all the way through. Once you have that string all the way through that bead, we're going to use that same end of string and we're going to add 1 red bead to the string. Now that we have that bead on the string, we're going to run that string to the next red bead here at the bottom on the end. Watch close as I guide the string to this bead, pulling the string all the way through, and that bead that was added will stack right into place, just like this. Now you will see that we have both ends of string coming out of the same side. You will now tie both ends of string together with a square knot, ensuring that the beads stay in this desired shape. As I've said before, be sure that the knot is tied nice and secure to ensure that everything stays locked into place. With the knot tied, you'll see that we finished the flower part of this design. From here, we'll need to create the band to make it a wearable ring. So to make the band of the ring, you'll need to take both ends of string and match them up. With both ends of string matched up, we can now add 9 green beads to both ends of the string. So continue watching as I add these beads to the string. As you can see, I've used green beads for this part as it complements the color of the flower, making it look like a vine. As you already know, there are many different colors and combinations that you can use to create your flower. Leave a comment below and let me know what cool color combinations you choose to use to make your flower ring. Now that we have those 9 beads on the string, we'll need to attach the string on the other end of the flower. So what you'll do is you'll run each end of string through a bead here on this side of the flower. So just watch closely as I guide each end of the string through these beads. Once you have each end of string through these beads, be sure to pull both ends of the string just enough to ensure that the 9 beads stay in a perfect formation. Now we can tie both ends of string together with a square knot to keep everything locked into place. Remember, be sure to tie your string nice and secure, ensuring that everything stays locked into place and stays together. With this visual, you should be able to see that tying the string in the knot is as easy as can be. You'll notice that the knot should stay hidden within these beads. With the knot tied and everything locked into place, all that is left is to carefully cut off the tied loose ends of string, and your Kandi bead flower ring is now complete. And there you have it, simply another fine bead design that was fast, fun, and easy to make. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful and you can create one just as great. If there's anything you would like to add, requests or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you are new, or you just haven't already, don't forget that you can always subscribe if you want to be notified for more bead tutorials just like this one. Hoping you'll tune in for the next one to satisfy your creative needs. Until next time, be sure to wear it and share it. Thanks for watching TurboBeads.